In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync an Asana project with Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Asana project management dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you're already inside the project you want to work with. This is important because the calendar sync option is tied to each individual project, not your entire workspace. Taking a second to confirm you're in the right place can help you avoid syncing the wrong schedule. Once you're inside the project, look near the top of the page for your project name tab. Next to it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow to open the project options menu. This menu contains a variety of actions related to the project, so if you don't see the right option immediately, just pause for a moment and scan the list carefully. From that menu, select Export Sync. This is the section Asana uses for sharing project information outside the platform, including calendar connections. After you click it, a new set of sync-related options should appear. You don't need to change anything else here unless you specifically want a different export option. For this tutorial, we're focusing only on connecting the project schedule to Google Calendar. Now click Sync to Google Calendar. This will automatically link the project's scheduled tasks to your calendar app, making it easier to see deadlines and planned work alongside your other events. It's a useful way to keep your project timeline visible without needing to switch back and forth between platforms all day. After the sync is set up, give it a little time to update, especially if the project contains a lot of tasks. In most cases, your dates will begin appearing in Google Calendar shortly. If you don't see them right away, refreshing your calendar or waiting a few moments can help. Also, keep in mind that only tasks with due dates will appear on the calendar, so undated tasks may not show up. That's all you need to do. By opening your Asana project in Chrome, using the drop-down next to the project name, selecting Export/Sync, and choosing Sync to Google Calendar, you can quickly connect your project schedule to your calendar and keep everything easier to track in one place.